Y aquí lo que voy a poner es un 22 rank, que es lo que también hace este. Ok.
Que las tengas sucias no quiere decir.
Hostia puta, tío, es que clase de locos, callaros, coño. Range, configure. Range at the 5 days. 10. Value 22. Ok, apply. 22, esto va a ser un rango 22. 22 range. Apply. One tick. Vale, esto sería one tick. Y aquí ya tengo las deviaciones. Sí, las tengo todas las deviaciones. Y los stacked imbalance, que me va bien. Y el CBD aquí, esto así. Aquí tengo que... Bar timer es una tontería. VWAP sí, big trades no. Vale. Y... Ok, I'm just testing these things. To see delta.
Pestoso. Sí que es pestoso.
This.
Después, en verdad hasta mañana me ducho.
Okay. This would be perfect. Okay. Let's go. So for now, we're ready to go. 5-minute chart. And let's play this and look for trade in initial balance. Loading models. I'm gonna put some music for you guys. A ver. Gonna put some music.
La cajita la puedes coger ahora para cortarle.
Okay. This started. I'm gonna stop. Let me see if I can move to time 14.
No va a querer. Sí, no hice nada.
Oye, cariño. Oye, Tanita, no, yo no he hecho eso, ¿eh?
Si no le duele.
Okay, we're going to 14 hours. We'll go to half an hour before. Will be faster. Okay, we're pushing up pre-market. Okay, this day. Let's see. Now we start. Okay, moving fast. 5 minutes candle.
Mira, Cañita, ya no tienes uñas. Mira.
So yeah. Okay. Don't ticking bar. Okay. Let's see. It's a up day, so yeah. 22-meter chart, they go in it up, ticking top. Okay, I'm gonna set my 10 points, it will be 100. I will trade 5 NQ. And I'm gonna edit this to 100 ticks will be 110 points and 50 ticks my stop loss. Okay, we are in 12. 5-minute chart, 1 hour chart looking bullish. Okay, we could get a reaction on the open. I will leave this like this in order to see where we are. Okay, Another thing I wanna add here is initial balance. I don't know why they didn't give me. Okay, I cannot add it. Gonna see when opener starts. Gonna move this fast again. Okay. You see, we are in completely uptrend, so I will look for longs. Okay, we're nearly to the open. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Chart trader, okay. Order, cancel order. 5 lots. So yeah. Open. This is the open. So nice volatility in open. We're gonna mark the open. And we're gonna let this at least the 50-minute range. And let's see what is in order to get a trade. CBD this day today is pretty bullish. Negative CBD just made a support. Okay, we are down ticking from open. Barrier higher low. If we start closing some candles above the open, we could take a long scalp. Let me see how this candle opens. Buy stop there. If we start moving above. I didn't catch me. Okay.
Order placed. Order placed.
Okay, I went. Okay, I don't count this one.
Order cancelled.
Okay, it's a TP, but I wanted to do other way, so I don't know why they didn't film me here. But yes, one win. How many minutes are we for the open? 45. 1, 2, 3 candles. Got this opening range. I think we're trading above. So
Order placed.
let me see if we can break this and go to the upper side. Choppy day. Bouncing about VWAP. VWAP is on open. How this is looking. Delta down ticking. Okay, cancel my order.
Order cancelled.
I'll cancel my order. Delta is down ticking so hard. Okay. We are setting lower prices. For now, we are one win. We were bullish for the day. Now we rejected value area high from this massive dump, and we're going for down prices. So let's see if we can catch a short from the open. Okay, down ticking. So I'm willing to short this.
Order placed. Order placed.
Let's see, we get another
Order
win.
cancelled.
2 wins. What time is it for? Okay, we nearly. Initial balance started here. Let me see where we end. 1 hour after. This was 2:30. We need to see 3:30. Where ends? In order to longs, We should trade above open.
La carita siempre se pone contigo para cuando estás
Volume
estudiando.
volume is picking up. Delta is picking
¿Has visto
up.
la carita? Está ahí.
Let me see if we can finish this canal. I would like to limit this.
Order placed.
No, el
Okay.
señor este.
Let me see if they tick me. If we
Order placed. Order
okay,
cancelled.
one loss.
Me levanto rapidísimo y eso me jode, mamá.
Okay, let's close above open.
Order placed.
Let me see. Ooh, nearly. This will be a win, a loss. I think a loss because they couldn't finish. They're rejecting open. If they reject open, it will be a loss. If they start accepting open.
Order cancelled.
Okay, it didn't. 2 wins, 2 losses. Nice rejection from open, eh?
Order placed.
I'm going. Oh. I think I'm not filled.
Order placed.
Yeah. Let me reject from open. Give me my TP.
Order cancelled.
Okay, 3 wins, 2 losses. That will be end for the day. Let's move to another day.
Todavía me pica. Cuando hago pipí.
Okay, let's move to another day. Today 18. No, 19. 4. And let's move. Okay.
Las de Stallone las han puesto, ¿no?
What the fuck? Why didn't change?
De Stallone jovencito. Joder, más joven, ¿verdad? Totalmente joven.
Playback stopped.
Ya, pero
19. I could put 20. Go okay. And play. We change it. Okay, now. This is a great tool to practice, eh? We can change speed now to 5. 1x no, 2x, 10x, 5x. And in order to a little bit have more time to.
La carita ya está con otro aquí. Y esto es.
¡Déjale!
ahora.
¿Pero por qué todavía la está chinchando la pobre canita?
Ya se deja.
No se deja.
¿Y esta chichilla? Ella no se le ha ido el pelo.
¡Déjame ver la película!
Okay, we started. Sorry, I was WhatsApping. What time is 20? Okay, first candle 5 minutes.
Si está la voz normal, capulla.
Hombre. Okay, I'm gonna limit this. This was the open of the other day. Okay. This was news, I think. We trading above value area high. So I would like to look for longs into this area. Into the 2043. So let's see how we open. Delta is pretty tricky again today. We tapped here the 0. We have ticket. We have this imbalance to trade into. Let's see. 25. Next candle is the open. Okay, open. This is the open. We're gonna mark the open again, guys. We are ticking. Let's see if we can get this.
Order placed.
Okay, dodgy candle. At least they trying hard to close above open with this dodgy. Our limit is there because it is the imbalance. I don't mind if we close. We broke their own high now. Delta pretty positive here. Let me see where we leave the poke. They wanna get this imbalance or no? Let me see how we close. First 5-minute candle. Okay, more doji. This is so much indecision now, but we're pretty bullish. We're pretty bullish for the day. Holding the upper. So any deviation here could be. They're gonna feel us. They're gonna feel us. Oof, that will be a TP. That will be a TP.
Order placed.
Okay, we in. Let me see if we get stopped. Oh, first win. So much volume here. Oh my god. Crazy, eh? Come on. I don't like this. I would close. I don't like this type of reaction. But let's see if this fair value gap holds. I'm gonna give one more 5-minute candle. Okay,
Order cancelled.
Stop loss. First stop loss. If we invert this fair value gap, I'm shorting this. If we hold, pretty nasty rejection in the 1 hour. Let's see if we hold this fair value gap. For now we're holding. Let's see how we end the candle. Nasty. Okay. For now we're holding, but I don't know. We need.
Order placed.
No, we inverted.
Order cancelled.
If we invert this, I will market sell.
¿Sí? Hoy... ah,
Okay, we need a closer.
Espérate, déjame el teléfono por si acaso.
Let me see. Nasty. This could easily invert this again. Closures are important. We hoarded deviation, so this is still bullish. So if we invert this, I will go in, I will leave more runner to this. I will not stick to a 50 tick stop loss. Okay, we close below. That's the good bad. So I'm willing to short this.
Order placed. Order
And
placed.
give her so much room.
¿Te está gustando la peli de este?
Order
At
placed.
least this candle. Let me see if I don't get round tripped.
Pero déjala, pobre, que descanse
They
tranquila.
played with my... If they close again above, that will be my stop loss. Price action inside the fair value gap. Okay. So pretty bullish day, so that's why they can, yeah, go for me. This is, I'm gonna get stopped this one.
Order cancelled.
Okay. Inverted twice. Let me see how is delta going. Okay, they're going. So yeah, I'm going in.
Order placed. Order placed. Order placed.
And I leave in this one. Play out. Invalidation
Order placed.
here. And target for this fair value gap, the highs.
Order placed.
Let's see if we get, first of all, close above open. Delta, look, change of delta 2k, so much volume here. You don't have to be right every time, but once you're right, you can hit a good one. Okay, we close above the open. That's bullish.
Order placed.
Don't be greedy. The 90s, give me the 90s. Let me see. Much volume here, guys? I like this volume. I like how this volume was reacting. Let me see if now... We don't need to reject this open. Oh my god. Okay, we're rejecting this fail auction. Let me see if this breaker now acts support or we nuke under. Yeah, come on, there you go. Let me see. Yeah, okay, nice. Let me see this. I think it's a TP. Hourly is acting bullish. This could run after my TP, but would be a nice TP. Risking 100 ticks to make 300 something. No, 100 ticks to make 265. More than 2 hours. Okay. They're absorbing here because this candle pretty negative delta, but upticking. Yeah, this is TP. Yeah, this buy side liquidity is gonna be taken. Yeah, upticking delta. Come on. You see this absorption? Sorry. They trying here a lot of selling pressure, but I think they will win. Matter of time. Oh, matter of time. This goes to TP. It should. They shouldn't reject this. This candle upon hour should close bullish, and this buy side liquidity would be that final target. But come on. Don't care open interest because open interest there's not here. Okay, I think now is the final target. The last 30 minutes they will push it because they trying hard. How is volume? 8k. Slightly less. But yes. Oof. 2 ticks about TP. Come on. Ooh. 1 tick. 1 tick. Wow. So close to target, eh? This would be a patient day, eh? But you see here, delta from really big bars, now delta is decreasing, so that's been decreasing because there's been absorbed. So once we break, delta will be positive again. Now we're getting a lot of negative delta absorbing these buyers. All these buyers were here on the top, so we need to see buyers on the bottom, like here. A lot of buyers on the bottom of the candle, not on the top of the candle. But I think this sweep is it will be done. This hour candle is, yeah, and front run by a tick again. Oh my god. This would be frustrating, eh, in real time.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we get this winner. We move on. Okay, this will be a winning day. Let's move to us next day. Okay, playback. Let's move to first day. No, let's move to this day, different day. From here to no. Okay, we started, sorry. Again, 420. We gap it, so yesterday, yeah, they closed above what we were telling. Okay, now we trade in this range. So now pretty bullish. Let's see. Looking for longs. We're riding the from the beginning. We're riding the deviation. So for now we will see. But for now I'm looking for longs. Let's see what happens at open. Okay, now we'll see 5 more minutes. Okay, 25. Next candle will be the open. At least, if not a break of this and then a short. We have this range also to play. Okay, we mark these areas. 25. Let's see. Okay. Let's see open how opens this. Okay, they upticking before open. Okay, we open above. Come on, leave the first 10 minutes, fuckery. Okay.
Mira, mamá.
Uptrend, for sure.
Como si fuese un peso. Esto debe pesar 8 kilos o así.
Okay, we are in the value also again. Let's leave this candle close in order to see what to do. Rejecting. Candle close. If they close like this again, good short, eh? But we are bullish. They could easily sweep this.
Order
Okay.
placed.
Okay,
Order placed.
I'm leaving this here.
Order placed.
Let's see.
Order placed.
I don't wanna get trapped on they getting new highs. If they're getting new highs here, this could run a lot. That's why I'm getting my stop. That's what happens. Sometimes they easily downtick, but it's so bullish that this will go up. So this will be a loser. I know this will be a loser, and this could run a lot. So that's why I have my invalidation there.
Order cancelled.
Okay. That means this is starting to be a support. If we close like this, in a retest we go in longs. Uptrend day. Bit tricky, eh? Okay, they close it bullish. So I'm going in
Order placed.
I'm going in here. If we get it.
Order placed.
Come on, retest me this. Pretty bullish. So now we are so a bit extended from deviations. Delta is pretty bullish. Volume is pretty high. I don't
Order
like this
cancelled.
anymore. So let me see if we create an imbalance now. created this one. We're going so high now. Let me see any dip. Let me see any dip. Any dip. We need to get some dip. No, I'm not long in the top. At least a retest of this area.
Order placed.
Let me see. Yeah. If we get it. Speed this up.
Yo ahora voy un momento.
¿Quién es? Okay, these days it has nothing. So extended.
No te cojas llaves. Ya está, coño.
Tienes al Filipo ahí.
¿A quién?
Al Filipo.
Okay, this type they will not go for. Oh yeah, if they go for this imbalance, let me see.
Order cancelled.
No, they didn't. So these days are ooh.
Order placed.
Okay, gonna
Order placed.
under the imbalance. Will be 1-to-1 trade. Let me see if they close. So bullish day. So this type of trades break even.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Okay, break even. I'm not risking the biscuit. I don't like this day, so I'm moving on. This type of price action. So nothing. Okay, let's move to another day and we're closing. Okay, I'm going to the Thursday 25. Okay, no, 27. Okay, no, this is last day, so I'm gonna move this to 31. No, doesn't let me. No, then okay, say 26 for 25. Okay, let's move and load. No, 25, no, 26. Fuck, this is not the same day. No. 26. No. 26. 26. And load. Now. Okay. Last day. Okay. What happened this day? Okay, we went up and we closed bearish. Gonna delay this. We're in pretty rejection, nasty rejection, so yeah. Let's see how this ends. Okay, it starts here. Next 5 minutes will be, well, it started 20. Okay, we need to 5-minute candle. Pretty bearish day, yeah? It's one of these days holding a short 25. I'm gonna put 5x. So what we have here, this level, let's see how it opens. Any sign of debilitation, we short this, because also, let's see if we go to upper band, 325, yeah, 23, like here. Let's see. Okay, this is open. We open near a level, so yeah, I will move this like to open. It will open this area, willing to get a short, so a sweep. Come on. Delta pretty heavy already. This is for me sign of weakness.
Order placed. Order placed.
This
Order
is a
placed.
big trade. Invalidation next to this POC, above the deviation, and will be the last trade of the back test. I want to see a rejection. I don't want to see closers. I want to see if this big red delta candle holds to move my,
Order placed.
yeah. So there you go. I'm gonna speed this up 20x. Let me see and see if we get TP fast. Delta pretty heavy. So yeah, 1 to 2. Actually, if we break this zone, I will move my stops above this candle, like here. Now I will be moving my stops.
Order placed.
So now is a 1 to 4. Because this could easily go now.
Order placed.
My original stop loss.
Order placed.
Let me see. Will be the last day. That's why I move my stop. I'm not trading another time. This will be my first and last trade for the day. So they hold in deviation. That's bad for the trade. Okay. We need to start rejecting this deviation and going down. Not holding opening. Only one candle closed below opening. The delta is pretty negative, so this could easily go to our stop loss and then run lower. But I like how they're absorbing here. Let me see if this plays out. If they start closing above below these candles, this will run down. If they start closing above, we will get stopped. They're trying hard, eh? Okay, buy back. Come on, close a candle below. And then we go. Okay, I like this. There you go. Break me this. Move my stops. Move my stops.
Order placed.
Okay. Now we should move. Come on, MQ. I'm only looking for a 40 point, no more, sorry. 100 points move. Yesterday, the 5-minute candle did 100 points. Like, was crazy the Friday, ATR, and Thursday. So crazy. Okay, let's break this zone low. Break the zone low. Okay, break the zone low. Break even.
Order placed. Order placed.
We break even.
Order cancelled.
Okay, and this is a TP, guys. Okay, nice. This candle was the candle we wanted to see an open. We wanted to see rejection. A good entry would be a broke through and retest. Here we had also another entry. I'm gonna pause. My trade had a lot of possibilities to get stopped, but what we like to see, this was not so late because here we start the move 1 hour, so initial balance was created. So here you can wait 1 hour for trade, and now this is also perfect. You see, we retested the point of control of the candle that break this upper level. You could wait for this, and then you will have your entry here. So low. Where's my short? So low. Drawdown. Stop above. And nearly 4R. Straight to R. To 4R. Perfect trade, eh? Amazing. I like this type of trades like this. And perfect. One of these per day and we're done. Well, this was my backtest day. I will upload this to YouTube. Thank you for watching, the guys that see my channel, and I will do more of these